Saxon Phonics, Lesson 60. This is Assessment 11. For Section 1, let's spell some words. Number 1, van, van. V-a-n, v-a-n. Number 2, made, made. I made my bed today. M-aid, m-aid. Number 3, like, like. I like your shoes. L-ike, l-ike. Number 4, those, those. Those shoes are really cute. Th-o-s, th-o-s. Those. Number 5, use, 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 use. If you need 1 through 5 repeated, go ahead and pause the video and rewind. Section 2. Go ahead and match the letter to the correct picture. Here's the picture of equal, equal. Vest, vest. Acorn, acorn. Overalls, overalls. Jar, jar. Section 3, we're going to skip this. Go ahead and cross it out. Then look at Section 4. We've been learning when to use K, C, CK. Go ahead and fill this in. When would we use K, C, or CK? You might use one of those more than once. Dad is a good cook. He cooks sweet yams and carrots in a pot. He grills ribs in a pit. Dad makes smoke too. What can Dad grill? Listen for the answer as I read. Repeat each word, each sentence after me. Dad is a good cook. He cooks sweet yams and carrots in a pot. He grills ribs in a pit. Dad makes smoke too. Go ahead and answer number 19. What can Dad grill? Then look at number 20. Dad cooks what in a pot? Yams and carrots, yams and ribs, carrots and ribs. When you're finished, you'll need a parent or a guardian to help you with these next 2 sections. Read each word. If you get it right, put a check mark. If you did not get it right, go ahead and put an X. Then look down at this last section. I want you to tell me the letter and the sound it makes. If you get it right, go ahead and put a check mark for each one. So you should have either 2 check marks, or if you get one of those wrong, put an X. When you're finished, go ahead and submit this worksheet to your teacher.